Hey lads, hope we're all keeping well. My name's Gavin, I'm a barber from Dublin, and today I'm just going to be giving you a full tutorial on how you use grooming clay. This is a very, very popular product amongst a lot of guys, and the problem is a lot of the guys order it and they get it and they see nice photos, but they have no idea how to use it. So that's how I'm going to help you today. I'm going to be using the grooming clay from Poseidon. Yeah, so this is my hair usually. I have a little bit of sea salt spray in, not too much. This is how it kind of sits, very flat, not much texture or hold going on. So that's what the clay is going to help with. What I probably should have done is put a little bit in when my hair was still damp. That is gonna be my first tip, is to put a little bit in when it's damp, but obviously I haven't done that today, so we're just gonna be working with it while it's dry. I'm gonna take a tiny little bit, literally about that much. That's all we need. That might have actually been a bit too much, to be honest. We're gonna rub it into our hands, all over our hands, not just the tips of our fingers, because in this first bit, we're actually not gonna be styling the hair. We're literally just gonna be focusing on getting it distributed evenly around our head so that we can put our hair into place after, if that makes sense. Let's just pop it into our hands here. I like to kind of put it around my palm and then move it all around my hands. And we just wanna do that until you can't even see it on our hands anymore. By the way, this stuff smells really good. And what I like to do then is I like to put my head down, and I just start from the sides and then move to the back and then push my hair down and just make sure I've gotten it everywhere into my head. So this is what it's going to look like. Pushing through the sides, and we're almost scrunching our hair and just moving it all around our head. Not even styling yet, guys, honestly, and already that's made such a big difference. Now that we've put a little bit in, I'm gonna go in and grab a little bit more this time. This time I want to concentrate it more onto the tips of my fingers, because this is how we're actually going to be styling the long hairs at the front to keep them in place, but still putting some in our palms as well. This time, instead of starting from the sides, I'm going to start from the front and just push that back, moving to the sides a little bit, and do the same, add some texture into the back by sort of rolling my hands in a circle. If you can see that motion, just pushing it back and styling it into place. That's kind of the finished look. I'll give you a 360. I hope this video was helpful. You can use a texture powder as well to add a bit more texture if you want to, but I'm honestly happy with this. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I post hairstyle tutorials like this as often as I can. And don't forget to let me know what tutorials you want to see down below in the comments. If you want to try this clay out for yourself, you totally can. I'll also leave a link in the description to the product and the salt spray as well, which I used for this. Anyway, that's all for today. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video.